Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil and today we're going to talk about the Alibaba stock. It's for intraday trading. Now as we can see the trend is very stronger for the buying side. As we can see market directly move here and it has been made a retrace till 108. So we made this is the support and market has been took over again as the last day. Yesterday has also have been a very strong move. So what we can do today as intraday trader, first of all we have to think, we have to there is a strong resistance level, but it was a previous strong level at this point. It was very strong level, but one is hit first time and second time, one is third time. So this resistance level is completely become a weak. So what we can expect today, if the market has been open slightly flat or slightly gap up, in this condition we are only we're looking for a buying side because the buyer has been holding from the bottom line. Their view will be clear. They are going to be made something like this kind of candle, a bullish candle market, because 1 2 3 4 5 5 day trading session market haven't moved a big momentum. So we could expect if the market has been open slightly flat or gap up, it could be made a big momentum for the buying side. This is the daily time frame. So let's back to the 15-minute time frame for the take the trade where we can take a trade. So the view is very clear. As we can see here on the daily time frame, this was a very important resistance level at the past, but after hitting the multiple time, the buyer has been trying to break this level. At, many of the time, they try to break the level. And interesting things, the pattern has been made for the last 2 days. This is it. This is a very good price pattern for the buying side. As we can see, the buying pressure has been started from here and buyer has been pulled back on the upside, then again retest, again pull back, again retest, again pull back. So each and every swing buyer has been sustained on the higher level. So it is very clear the trend is going to be upper side. So this resistance level is no more important for the buyer. Once it has been crossed, the buyer candle will be at least trying to closing at the next resistance level 118 or 119. They will be trying to closing on the higher level at this today's session, today trading session. So the interesting things, we can assume where the market is going to be open. If suppose we assume if the market is going to be open 114 to 115.50 in between, if the market has been open, we'll have to just wait for the price action because there is a support resistance. So first, when the market will be open here, the seller will be try to come entering the market, but this support will going to be very important as support. This swing will be support and this swing also act as the support. So both the cases, if seller has been trying to enter in the market, they have to at least try to close at 113. Once it would be closing 113 level, then we might be see a downside, but it's not for today. If it is for selling market, we have to be wait for 1 day. At least we need a confirmation candle like that. At least this swing has to be taken over on the intraday trading today, then we can next day take a fresh position because each and every swing market make a respect. So if the buyer try to put the take the down on the market, each and every swing he will make the new high. So this is a volatile market. This is going to be volatile market if it is for selling for today. And if he sustain on the 114 level upside, if he sustain on the higher level, then there will be two things. First, he will take a few moment, at least 5 to 10 to 15 minutes he will span here time. As soon as it cross, we will take our first entry here. Then this is support line, this is important resistance line. Once it is break, definitely price will come here for take the support. Then again will be the pure price action. So what we can do today here, if market open 115.50 and 114 in between, which we have to just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. and we can see the clear price action. The market is going to a higher side, try to break this resistance level. We can easily can take the trade, and we'll put our SL here. Or if buyers, if you not prefer to take more losses, you can put a stop loss here or here. Both the options are available for put the SL here. And target will be easy, 118, 119 nearby will be the target for the range for today intraday. So another stock I have been selecting here for the as intraday, that is advanced micro device, AMD, which is represent advanced micro device. And first I wanna go through the daily time frame. Daily time frame is look very amazing. Yesterday we analyzes if the market has been gap down, then there is a volatile market. We could expect the volatile market in yesterday, but market is very made strong bullish candle on the higher side. So in this condition, what we can expect, if market if anyone is seeing this is going to be a resistance level, and 1 2 3 day trading session buyer has been hit this resistance level. So as we know, if resistance and support, if this is a resistance, if suppose this is a support, if the market continuously hit this level, there is a high possibility this level is going to be break. Similarly, if it is resistance level, if it is touched again and again, again and again, there's a high possibility market will take over take break this resistance level. So both the cases, Alibaba and advanced micro stock, we can assume this is going to be a break for today. If it is, even if it is open gap at least for 50% gap up, even if it is for gap up, we'll still be looking for the buying market. And slightly gap up will slightly gap up will also will look for buying market, because the trend is very strong. As we can see, the market is going very strongly high. Each and every moment market is making higher high. So this is a waiting level. 1 2 3 day market has been waited for this breakout break. So this is going to be very strong breakout for today. So let's switch to 15 minutes, 15 minutes to take that trade as intraday. As we as we see the last day, the market has been open exactly the demand zones. This zones was act as a support for the market. And first 13 minutes market has been pull up on the higher side, but it hasn't be do like that, because if it is hit right, market never able to break the resistance level in a first shoot. This was the first shoot. If it is going on the sideways then higher high, then there might possibility they could be break on yesterday. But anyway, as we can see, the market has been pull up from the bottom and hit the first resistance line, then he couldn't hold the level, it has been fall down. So buy a seller already exist in the market. So what we can planning today here, and what we can plan to here, there is a strong resistance line, no doubt. There is a very strong resistance, sorry, trend is going on the market on higher side. So this is 119. This is our swing. What we can expect, sorry guys. So this is a very strong trend line going on the market on the higher side, and this will be our swing. If market has been open between 119 to 120, there's the best time, there's best things to buying in the market. That will be the best trade, because the market will take at least 5 to 10 minutes for the sideways here. Then as soon as it break, we will take it trade and put the stop loss near 150 119.50 120. Any point we will put the SL, and market can we go higher at least for 122 22.50. This will be our range for intraday. This is will be going to be a range for our intraday if the market has been open in this range. And one things, the trend is very strong if the market has been open and gap up. If anything below more than 1%, 120 123 122.50, if the market has been open here, I can see the market maybe will take a profit booking, because the buyer has been adjusting from the bottom. As we can see, 102 102 and 110 continuously market has been buying. So if the market is still on the gap up, the high possibility the market will take a profit booking. This they will be make it take a profit booking, and this will be our resistance, and then market will be sideways here, will become sideways here on the second half, and then trend will be decided. If the trend is strong, buyer is strong here, then market will be something like go in the higher, closing will be on the higher side, similar like that. If the market has been open on a gap up, so let's see where the market is opening is important for the buyers. If market has been open in the flat or gap up, flat or slightly gap up, we will see for buying. If the market has been open directly on the high gap up more than 1 point or 1%, market has been open on the gap up, then market will make buyers maybe will take a profit booking, because this person, those are here, these are here, everyone is holding the profit. So once it is, and because also there is a near resistance also on the near, this is very strong resistance, this is very strong resistance. So buyers, if market has been open in the gap up, there's a high possibility they would prefer to take the profit booking. So let's see where the market has been open and how we take a trade. So I hope you understand the point. This is all of my own view. Don't take it serious, do your own analysis and take a trade. Thank you very much.